All right, so guys, I want to show you a sample of how our practicals in the tax code goes. Okay, so basically they give you an overview of, like in this case is Henry and Ruth, right? And you can see their information right there. This dummy information. It's not like real information, but it's a situation that someone's going through in real life, right? So you can see clearly here that they are married, right? And they're filing as joint. You need those key information. One is construction worker, made that, and we have all their documents right here. Okay, so if I want to see the W2 here, just remove this here. If I want to see the W2 here, I click it, and it's gonna give me the wages and the amount of federal income withheld. And then for the wife, gonna see here the wages and the federal income withheld. The wife also has interest from the bank, and is 3,800, and they also have dividends from the same bank. That's 5,300. So now what do we do? First things first. Okay, first things first. Okay, so we have this 10.1040 that we're using to fill right here, and I've already filled everything. I just want to show you because pretty much straightforward. If I have all the information, I just need to know, just filling out first information, the relevant information right there for the daughter right there, Army, and then just put in the amount. Put W2 amount right there. So I add the two incomes. I put it right there. Put the taxable interest on the dividends and the interest right there, and then that's the total income. And then from schedule 1 line 26, so because I don't have any schedule 1 right here, nothing to put in the standard deduction is right here. My single filing jointly is 27,700, and then just put it right there. And then boom, just like that, guys, I get our total taxable income. Then when you go to page 2, that's where you see the tax, what tax we're gonna put in there, and our tax information. I have the record right here from the tax 1423. So these guys made over 198,000. So we're gonna be taxing them in this table right here. So we're gonna multiply 198,823 by, it falls right here, by 24%, 0.24, and then minus 13,200, and that's where we get this 34,388. And then child tax credit, it's 2,000 because they only have one kid, and that's coming from schedule 88 to 12 form, which is right here, where you just fill the information right there, put in the information on the AGI and the amount right there, put in the lowest, which is 2,000. This is not additional credits from that. And then also we have to fill form 2441, where you put in the amount that they paid, the 6,000 that they paid for Army, but they can only claim 3,000, right, for one kid, which when you multiply by the 20% decimal that they provide here, which is income over 43,000, this 20% is 600. So that's what's happening right here. When you put in 2,000, I put 2,000 tax credit right there, and then on for the schedule 3 line 8 is 600. Okay, what is schedule 3? Schedule 3 is now putting the additional credits for the child right there. Okay, so when everything is put in place, you have our total tax as that, right? And then federal income withheld. So on the W2 form, it's always there, right? See, federal income withheld is 18,325, then 50,305 right there for the woman. And then when you minus, they have a refund for 22,022.82. Just like that, I've already filed everything. Schedule 3 is filled. All the forms are filled. Going to page 8 of the 8812 other dependents. And then when I come here, my score is 100 because I got everything right. And I just submit like that. Boom. Just like that, I'm done, and I'm going back to the academy, where it's pretty much simple. I really love how this program is. Just then I can just come here, I can continue with my other practical, just like that. Practice return. You can see I've already done majority of it, so it's pretty much gonna be amazing. So if you want to see more of this, make sure you follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me file your taxes for 2025 next year. All right, got you.